Today I'm going to teach you how to export Zoho Desk to CSV. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your data, analyze it in spreadsheet software, or migrate information to another platform. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to Zoho Desk and log into your Zoho account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Zoho Desk dashboard, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Here you're looking for the Setup option, which is typically represented by a gear icon. This gear icon is your gateway to all the administrative settings and configurations within Zoho Desk. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the Setup area where various administrative options are available. Now, scan through the menu and look for a section labeled Data Administration. This section houses all the tools related to managing your data, including import and export functions. Under the Data Administration section, you'll find an option called Export. Click on this to open the Export configuration screen. Now comes the important part where you'll configure exactly what data you want to export. You'll need to fill out several export details to ensure you're getting the right information. Start by selecting the module from the drop-down menu. This tells Zoho Desk which type of data you're exporting, whether it's tickets, contacts, accounts, or another module entirely. Next, you'll need to choose the type of records you want to export. You'll see options like All Records, Export based on views, or Export based on criteria. This flexibility allows you to be specific about what data you're pulling. If you only need certain records, this is where you define that scope. After selecting your record type, set the filter and date range. This step narrows down your export even further by allowing you to specify a particular time period or set of conditions. For example, you might only want tickets from the last month or contacts created within a specific date range. Then, use the drop-down to select which fields you want to include in your export. You don't always need every single field, so this gives you control over what columns appear in your CSV file. This can make your exported data cleaner and more focused on what you actually need. Once you've configured all these settings and everything looks correct, simply click on the Export button located on the bottom left corner of your screen. Your data will begin processing and will download directly to your computer in CSV format. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a few moments, so be patient while the export completes. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Zoho Desk data to CSV format, giving you a portable, easy-to-use file that you can analyze or backup as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.